Hi guys, this is Hernan, and for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-factor ng quadratic trinomial whose value of a is equal to 1. Review muna natin ang quadratic trinomial. X squared is the quadratic term. This 5x is the linear term, and negative 14 is the constant term. Okay, to factor this quadratic trinomial, x squared plus 5x minus 14, una natin gawin dito is we have to list all the factored form of negative 14. Okay, negative 14, we have negative 7 times positive 2. We have also positive 7 and negative 2. Okay, add natin sila. So we have negative 7 plus positive 2 is equal to negative 5. And then positive 7 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 5. Now, based on this sum, hahanapin natin dito ang kapareho sa coefficient of the linear term, which is 5. Okay, so 5. Okay, so therefore, ito yung mga factors na hinahanap natin. Okay, how to factor this? We have to set up the two factors. Okay, x squared, the factors of x squared is x times x. And then, plus 7 and minus 2. Okay, so x squared plus 5x minus 14 is x plus 7 times the quantity of x minus 2. Okay, for number 2, we have a squared minus 6a plus 8. So, note that our target sum here is negative 6. Okay, so factor natin yung 8. 8, the factored form are the following. We have 8 times 1. We have also negative 8 times negative 1. Pwede rin siya 4 times 2. And we have also negative 4 times negative 2. Okay? So, add natin lahat tong mga factors na to. And hahanapin natin si negative 6. So, ito, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And we have negative 8 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 9. And we have 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And negative 4 plus the negative 2 is equal to negative 6. So, ito yung hinahanap natin, negative 6. Okay, negative 6. So, set up natin yung factors. Okay. For a square, we have a times a. And then, we have here negative 4 and negative 2. Okay, so the factored form of a square minus 6a plus 8 is the quantity of a minus 4 times the quantity of a minus 2. Please try to answer item number 5 and write your answer in the comment section. For our next video, A is not equal to 1 naman. Okay? Paki-share na lang po, follow, and like. Daghang salamat.